Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Hey guys, it's your boy Scott Skelly. How it doing? This is a face reveal, I guess. But today, I got something cool for you guys. Some cool shit right here. You know how I told you guys we were gonna do some Gundam building. Decided to pick a nice one. But this one right here is a Hydro Gundam OZ-15. I don't know if the camera can see that. Zoom in on that and make it look nice. So we're gonna open these bad boy up. Let me No, I'm just fucking with you guys. Okay. We're still at the unboxing. Kobe. So let's get this bad boy open. Oh yeah, I gotta use the camera hand, guys. Premium unboxing right here. You can't get this view anywhere else. Well, essentially you can. Cool. 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 So that's how he's supposed to look. There you go. Yeah, he looks pretty bad. Hey, what the fuck is that? Oh shit! Wow, guys, check that out. Look at that. It's a finished product. Oof. He's got the leg spikes still. It looks pretty good to me, honestly. So look at that. It's pretty clean. I did fuck up, though, because, like, one of the pieces broke off. So, like, this and this arm does not hold on well. But yeah. For the most part, it was a pretty good build. No real paint chips or anything. Let's check that bad boy out, though, man. Alright. Pretty nice. What do you think?
Your mom.
Dude, what is that? I need to know what that is. Oh, dude, there's a whole set. There's a whole set. There's a futon.
I legit think you can buy this at Walmart for cheaper.
Nah.
I swear you can.
I feel like it'd be $20 versus $12. You want to see me hit the keys, dog? Yeah. Dude, what is this ancient technology?
Old keyboard.
What the hell?
Something.
Probably.
Well, I mean, just look at what they have.
Yeah, they got synthesizers up this thing. Jazz mode? They got a jazz mode. You like jazz? And what we came here for, a nice couchy boy. How much is this one? Same price as the other one.
Yeah, I'd probably this one.
Oh, fuck. This one's smaller, but I like the other one. The other one's better. What is this? That's a fucking relic, dude. Dude, we need to make a roller skate vid now.
Why do they have so many roller skates here? Like, that's so sweet.
They got crusty ass helmets. They got possessed dolls. You got your snowboarding shoes.
I can't even tell what those are. I don't even know if they are, they're missing the strap.
Dude, they got bowling balls. They legit got bowling balls.
How much?
You can get the shake weight or the shake weight in red. Wonder if it's more expensive. Dude, it's cheaper. It's cheaper.
Probably the same thing.
No, it's cheaper. I just saw it. Yeah, this one's $4.99. That one's $3.99.
$1, wow. $1 difference.
But you would think the red one would be more expensive. Dude, fucking great prop. Put these on. What, you playing PUBG now?
Might as well be straight up beat some of that.
Dude, that'd be a great set piece. Look at this old ass dinky lamp. Like, oh, that's pretty nice. Handwritten, right? Oh. Wait, what? What the fuck is that? Stop. Oh, dude, Saturday for sure, dude. You know what I'm doing Saturday. You ever need a butter container? They got one.
That's cool. I'm not gonna.
I can just break it. It's a sick ass. No, it's either a soap holder or an ashtray.
I think it's a soap holder.
Possibly. I'd still use it as an ashtray though.
Or something.
No, yeah, it's an ashtray. Because there's an ashtray right next to it. They just correspond, right?
But that's what the...
Dude, if I bought this, I'd probably get cursed.
Yeah, I wouldn't feel comfortable buying
Yeah, no, just look at her eyes, man.
it. Barely open.
Dude, they got the big kahuna, the big kahuna. A little...
Now that's an ashtray.
That's a tiny ass ashtray.
That's for like singular cigarettes.
Yeah, that's...
For putting your cigarettes out.
Yeah. Alright. Kobe. Hey, it's the post roll. That was cool. That was a cool Gundam build, huh, guys? A little adventure to fucking Goodwill's cool too, huh? So, yeah, this is the post credits. Hi. Hi. Yeah, we're gonna come out with a new fucking channel for live action stuff, and everything's up in the air right now, but, you know, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. The shed is not coming yet, though. Sadly. The shed's not coming yet. It's not coming yet. So, we're waiting on that, and you know what? I hope you guys have a good one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace out.